Hey, it's Joe Crump. Welcome to my video series. This next question is from Kimberly Stansel. And actually, I've got a couple of questions here that are pretty much the same, and I'm going to read them both. Kimberly says, and she's from Virginia Beach, Virginia. Here in my area, conventional real estate sales are rather slow. Yeah, welcome to the rest of the country. What would likely be the fastest way to replace income with real estate investment if one finds oneself with bad credit and then suddenly is unemployed? Boy, you're in the same situation a lot of people are. Here's another. This one is from Ellie Nestigard. And Ellie says, I've only got one question. After closing my restaurant this spring, my credit has taken a substantial nosedive. We're talking as in about to file bankruptcy. How does someone like me, without a pot to piss in, even begin to think about getting involved in this business? It takes money to make money, and I'm unbelievably at the point where I thought I'd never be. Flat broke on my ass. That's pretty frank. And first of all, I want to say I've been there where both of you guys are, and I know a lot of you other people that are listening to this video are as well. I think I'm losing my voice here. I've been in a difficult situation. Back in 1991, when the last real estate crash happened, I had $17 million in real estate. When the market dropped 30% in California, and it's dropped 45% in California this time, but when it dropped 30% in California back then, I lost all my properties. The bank came and took them all. I moved back to Indiana. I moved in with my family. I was so happy to have that support group. We had a 30-day-old baby, and it was just my wife and I. We moved back in with my parents, and to be able to get back on our feet, I became a realtor. And I had to figure out a way to do this with no money, with no credit, with no way to access any of those things like I did before. And that's what I learned how to do. You don't need money to make money. As a matter of fact, if you can't make money with no money, then you sure can't make money with money. Learn how to make money without money. Learn how to pull yourself up by the bootstraps and do these deals with zero down, with no credit. Learn how to flip properties and then how to keep properties for the long term. These are the things that I teach using the subject 2, lease option, multi-mortgage, land contracts. These are the types of deals, the options. These are the types of things that I teach so that you can turn around and flip these properties and make a lot of money in a fairly short period of time. It didn't take me very long to get back on my feet. I became a realtor. I got, and I expect a lot of you are going through this too. I got really discouraged. I felt less of myself. I felt that I just completely screwed up. And some of it was my fault because I didn't have the knowledge. I didn't have somebody telling me, don't do this, don't do that, don't take that risk. I thought I was the golden child. I thought I could do anything because everything I touched turned to gold. Every deal that I did made money until the crash, until something came along that I didn't have much control over. Although this time, in this crash that we're experiencing right now, I didn't get caught in it because I built my business a completely different way. I did not get hurt. I haven't lost any money. As a matter of fact, my business is booming because of this economy. And you can take advantage of this economy too. You can be doing this as well. You just got to move forward. You got to learn some of these techniques that I'm teaching and listen to all these videos that I'm cranking out here because I'm giving you the details. I'm giving you the red meat here that you can actually go out and use on a day-to-day basis. Now, if you want to get into more detail, get into my mentor program or get the push-button method or buy my book or do something else. Or if you don't like my techniques, use somebody else's because there's a lot of people that have good information out there that you can learn from. And you know, don't be discouraged. Move forward. And remember, the pain, the stuff that you're going through now doesn't last forever. Your credit will come back. My credit's perfect now. Your money will come back. I got a lot of money in the bank, and I got a lot of properties and a lot of assets because I took positive action. I did the things that I needed to do. And you know, I do feel for your situation because I've been there personally, and I wish you good luck. And good luck to you. Thanks.